Salut à tous and welcome back to Lingoni. It's a pleasure to teach you again today. The topic of our lesson today will be articles again. Since we've seen definite articles, indefinite articles, now we need to see the partitive articles. Yes, very important. What are they? When do we have to use them? You use partitive articles to talk about a part of a whole, a part of the whole thing. You also use partitive article when you're talking about uncountable things, concepts, and again, a portion, only a part of the whole thing. So let's go for some concrete examples now together. So for example, and let's start with masculine words. Okay, masculine uncountable words, concepts, abstract things. Time, for example. Temps, du temps. To translate, some time. Du temps. Bread, some bread. Pain, du pain. Would you like some bread? Du pain. A part of it, some of it. Tea, thé. Coffee, café. Du thé. Du café. Du temps. Du pain. I would add chocolate. Du chocolat. Some chocolate. Chocolate. Du chocolat. Du thé. Du café. Let's switch to feminine now. Sauce tomate. De la sauce tomate. Beer. De la bière. Water. Interesting. Because you would have to say eau in French. Eau. What? So many letters and you just say eau? We do. Eau. And because you can't say, or you shouldn't, de la eau, just for the pronunciation, this double vowel thing, then you'd rather say de l'eau, L', de l'eau, mashed potatoes, de la purée de pommes de terre. De la purée, some mashed potatoes. You can actually have one out there, but it's more like some of it. Would work with rice, for example, in masculine, I'm just thinking now. Du riz. Du riz. Would like some rice. Du riz. And then in plural, I have an A2 video talking about partitive, and I was saying that I don't like des used as partitive, because in my opinion, des, D-E-S, des is the indefinite plural. It's not really partitive. And now I'm going to be like, but depends, because in this video precisely, I give an example, which is very interesting. I use céréales. You never go for 2, 3, 4 céréales. I mean, you could, but you just don't. So we say, tu veux des céréales, and it's a bit, in that case, des is not really indefinite, like, tu veux des fruits. Des fruits, indefinite. I have here some fruit, and tu veux des fruits, but you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, but indefinite quantity. Céréales is different because you would never count cereals. It goes like a whole thing. And then you say, tu veux des céréales? Like you would say, tu veux des pâtes? You can count. You can actually go. But I would never tell you, would like 6 pasta? It's strange, no? Say, tu veux des pâtes? And it goes in plural, and it would be partitive. It's a part of the whole thing that I normally wouldn't count as a unit. You wouldn't go for unit when it comes to pasta or cereals, I was saying, or peas. Tu veux des petits pois. Indéfini pluriel ou partitif? Partitif. Yeah. And I kind of disagree with myself because in an A2 video, I was like, des, it's never been a partitive. Des is just indefinite plural, but you can count them. Sometimes you can't really count them. Cereals, peas, pasta, it's a good example. Des pâtes. Des petits pois. Des céréales. That works as partitive. De la sauce tomate. De la patience. And because it's a nice one too, de la pâte à modeler. De la pâte à modeler. Definitely a new word. I will not make it any more complicated with partitive articles. We know what they are. Du, de la, de L' plus vowel, and that works for masculine and feminine words, and then de in plural. That's about it for articles. I would highly recommend you to go quickly back to definite articles, indefinite articles, partitive articles, new vocab, the new vocab we've been seeing. And of course, you can practice all these lessons on lingoni.com if you want to. You would find some interactive exercises and some PDF worksheets that you can download on this topic. And as soon as you're ready, you switch to the A2 playlist and you watch the other lessons on the same topic, but with much, much more details and sentences. That's about it. Thank you very much for following us again today, and I see you very soon for a new lesson. Ciao, ciao.